Dabur is what we're going to focus our energies back on. Stocks down sharply after the sort of earnings, the pre-earnings report. Mangalam is here with more. Mangalam.
Well, Dabur has reported a dampener in their second quarter update. The consolidated revenue for the company has actually declined in mid-single digits, and that's largely on account of two factors. One, because of unseasonal or heavy rains and flooding in some parts of the country, out-of-home consumption was impacted, and as a result of which their beverage portfolio saw a bit of a hit. But the bigger reason was they are rationalizing their inventory in general trade, and that's largely because of the big growth that we've seen in e-commerce and quick commerce in particular, and as a result of which their primary sales are down. That's something that the street is a little worried about. And because of this decline in primary sales and continued spending on marketing and advertising, the operating margins of the company too have come down from their guided 20% to mid-teens to high teens sort of number. And that's exactly what has the street worried. Remember, the stock had corrected about 10% from its highs already going into the second quarter update. But at the start of the year, the company had guided for double-digit revenue growth for the entire year as well. And in light of that, this decline of mid-single digits is something that the brokerages aren't very happy about either. Marico, on the other hand, doing extremely well in today's trading session for three reasons. One, consolidated sales have grown at high single digits with mid-single digit sort of volume growth. But importantly, the stock had underperformed because of Bangladesh tensions. And now there, the company said in the second quarter, Bangladesh business has actually shown high single digit revenue growth, telling you about the resilience of the business in that country despite internal troubles in Bangladesh itself. The margins of the company have seen a bit of a lag this time around, so that's one important trend to monitor going forward. But they reiterate double-digit revenue growth in the second half of this year and the full year as well, and that's something that is sitting well with the street.
Okay, all right. Thanks very much for that, Mangalam. Dabur definitely reeling under that impact. And